Jet's reputation is built one tool at a time. Their rugged range of machinery powers your workday and workforce. Committed to quality, Jet's full 2-year warranty leads the industry, and their safety features are a caliber unmatched by others. Jet Tools puts the power in your hands. The GH1440 geared head engine lathe is the heavyweight answer your shop needs. Weighing over 1 ton, this beast is engineered to produce expert pieces in the toughest shop environments. Equipped with precision induction hardened ground bedways, spindle roller bearings, and high-quality steel hardened gears in the headstock, the GH1440 delivers the ultimate working durability. The enclosed gearbox design, standard coolant system, and lead screw cover provide a smooth and quiet operation while maintaining peak performance. Operator safety is a priority for Jet. The GH1440 also includes a patented electronic chuck key docking station that prevents startup without the chuck key when safely docked. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer near you.